guys, welcome back to my channel. It is your girl Lexi and I'm back with another video. If you're new, welcome. If you're returning, hello. Today I am going to do a highly requested video actually, and just show you all how I trim my ends. So far I have already washed my hair. I use the Aussie Moist, and I also use the conditioner. The conditioner has been on my hair for about 4 hours, and I've put a lot of olive oil only because I'm coming out of a protective style and I'm finna get ready to do another protective style, so it's just a perfect time to show you all how I trim my ends. So without further ado, let's go ahead and get into it. Let's start by putting my hair into a ponytail. My hair is already detangled. I'm sorry if you guys hear that beeping. That is the fire alarm, I guess. Okay, so I trim my hair. I know they say you can go 6 months, but I look at my hair periodically because of the medications I take, and the medications can be very harsh on my hair, so I just examine my hair a lot and go off of what I feel. So I'm gonna step over here. I'm going to take my dimming brush. This is the only time I use my dimming brush because I use my easy detangular brush typically. Okay, so I'm gonna show you 2 ways. One way you can is by just looking at it. You can see that scraggly in there, and you can lock it in between your fingers and just cut up, or you can twist it. I already have conditioner in my hair. You want to have some product in your hair. I'm gonna twist it back down, and basically whatever does not twist back effortlessly is what I'm gonna trim. Now you want to make sure you have hair shears. I don't care if you get them from Sally's, your local beauty supply store, Walmart, whatever. Do not use regular. Okay, so I'm gonna cut right there. Do not use regular scissors on your hair because that can cause more damage. You want to get you some shears. The sharper your shears, you want to be very careful. So I'm just gonna twist my hair all the way down and wrap it around my finger. And this one is actually good, but let me see if I get it into focus. That little part right there, this part here, I'm just gonna snip that. And here are my shears. I bought these from Sally's. And I'm just gonna snip it there. I don't pay attention to layers because I rarely wear my hair. And if I do, my hair is in its natural state. So yeah, if you're concerned about, okay, look at this. You see how, get back in here. You see how nappy that looks? That got to go. So all these are already twisted like these. So I'm just gonna go on and inspect, and I'm gonna snip. This is how much I cut from the first one, and this is how much I cut from the second one. And now I'm going to take this down, and then I'm just gonna retwist it back. I'm actually finna get ready to blow dry my hair, so I'm going to spray my Cantu heat protectant spray at the end of the video and let that sit on for like an hour, and then I will blow dry my hair. But yeah, already my hair is very smooth. You can take your brush or your comb and comb it through your ends just to make sure nothing feels raggedy. You want to go off of what you feel. There's one strand right here. I'm just gonna snip and just keep going. So I'll just take them down and retwist them on that. I already have mine twisted in very small sections because I knew I was going to come on and clip my ends. But I prefer small sections. Some people are comfortable doing big sections. I like small sections so that I can really examine my hair. I do not like this brush. This is the only time I'm using this brush because I love my easy detangular brush. My hair is actually pretty good. When's the last time I trimmed my hair? I think it was when I did my dreadlocks, so it's been a few months. But like I said, medication I have to take daily is very harsh, so I just love to make sure my hair is getting all the love and nurturing that it needs. So yeah, twist it around your finger, and it's just this little end part here that's looking straggly. Oh, I'm gonna cut that little piece off. Alrighty, so I'm just gonna continue to go on throughout my hair, then I'll come back at the end of the video to close out. But that's all you want to do, is twist your hair down, whatever doesn't spiral back up. Let me see if I can find one that's actually fine. Whatever doesn't spiral back up, that's what you want to clip. If you do not use a lot of heat on your hair and you take care of your hair, you will not have to cut a lot on you. It's just maintenance. But if you put a lot of heat on your hair and it just feels like a bird's nest, then you should probably go to a professional. Shade. You should probably go to a professional and let them like look at your hair. But I look at my hair a lot. I haven't been to a hair salon in like 8 years and my hair's going just fine. So yeah, you don't want to get lazy as a natural because your hair will let you know you were being lazy. And I'm thirsty. My hair is always thirsty. Let's see. See, that's a good one. I don't have to clip anything on this one. It spiraled right back. Perfect. That's what I like to see. Boom. There goes a perfect one. And yeah, so as I was saying before, I'm just going to continue to go on throughout my hair. And I'll come back when I'm done. Alright, you guys, so I have like 4 left, so I'm just gonna finish those 4 with you. My hair was actually very good, and I didn't need to cut off much at all. I just cut off mainly just the straggly points, very little. was very little. I'll show you in the end how much I actually cut off. But when I do protective styles, I put like a lot of product in my hair so that my hair won't dry out. And that is the key point when you have 4C hair and you do protective styles, especially if you do something like Marley twist or jumbo braids, anything like that. That synthetic hair can dry your hair out, so you want to make sure your hair is very prepped. And I OD on products. I do. I'm not gonna lie. My leave-in conditioners and all that, I OD on those because I want my hair to be fire when it come out. Like, I hate when I'm admitted in the hospital because when I come out, I know I have to cut at least 2 inches off, which I don't trip about because, 1, I wear my hair in a lot of protective styles, and 2, hair grows back. Like, if your hair is getting to the point to where you know daggone well you need a cut and you just trying to hold on to them inches, let it go, sis. Cut that hair off. It's gonna grow back. The longer you keep your split, nasty, dusty ends at the bottom of your hair, the more they're gonna grow up your hair and your hair is gonna fall out. Or break off. Whatever. Fall out, break off, whatever. You don't want any of that. You do not want any of that. Trust me, you do not want to walk around with a bald spot, especially not a visible bald spot. If you get a bald spot, you can cover it up. That's different. I get those. I cannot do this one. Like every now and then, depending on what medications or how much pain medication I've had to take, my hair will fall out, and that's okay because I have a lot of hair where that came from, and it's gonna grow back. So yeah, I'm gonna set this one right there and come back to that one. I'm sorry if you hear stuff in the background. I think they're getting a bottle made for my nephew, or not a bottle, he's breastfed, like his little cereal stuff. So my bad, but we're almost done. This is our last one. No, I think Sonia's making coffee. Okay. Last one. Now let me show you how much I actually cut off. It's like literally how much hair that I trimmed off. And it fell. Oh, Lord, I'm getting, can't get down there like I used to. Here we go. Which is not a lot. So I highly recommend, if you know your hair is in need of a trim, if you're not comfortable doing it yourself, then go to someone who's a professional and let them cut your ends. Do not hold on to dead ends or split ends. When you detangle your hair and you get resistance, that's where you should cut. That's the part that is done. Cut that part off, twist your hair up, moisturize your hair, put some oil on your hair, and in the next month or less, you're going to get your length back. So it's really not that big of a deal. You do not want to hold on to any damaged ends because your hair is just going to continue to go up and just break off. And we didn't do this natural journey just to let our hair break off. So yeah, that's all. I want to come on and show you all how I trim my ends. Keep up with your hair maintenance. I highly recommend keep up with your hair maintenance. I'm going to get out of this video because I have to go blow dry my hair. I have to film 2 more videos. So until next time, my babies, take care of yourself. I'm going to see you in my next video. Before I turn this camera off and before you click off my video, do not forget to like this video, subscribe to my channel, leave a comment down below of a red heart as that represents sickle cell awareness. Do not forget to turn on your notification bell so you're notified every time I post a video. And I will see you in the next one.